Welcome to Alikare, and I am Pia, and today we're going to talk about cuticle oil. Now I have a guest here with me where I'm advising her. She might have question to ask and she might not have any question to ask. Now if you notice, because I have to talk, I have to remove my mask, but she has on hers. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and get right to the video. So why am I talking about cuticle oil? Sometimes if we're a housewife, depending on the work that we do, and you wear nails a lot, around your cuticle might become dry, your nail easy to tear, and you just look away. So you have to make sure that it's very moist so it don't tear. You can still wear your natural nail if you decide to give your nails a break from the nails extension. So we want to make sure that we do manicure and we don't catch fungus and our nails looking shine and moist, especially for males who don't wear extension on their nails, don't want any polishing, but just want to use a cuticle oil to soften their nails. This is why I'm going to advise you guys on how to use cuticle oil. With my many years of experience, when I look at manufacturer and see how they labeled or how they bottle their cuticle oil, they don't do it in the best interest of our clients, especially if you're a manicurist, right? So somebody who is at their home, go out and the nails look bristle and they want to buy cuticle oil to use around their nails, they can use any one of them because they're only using it for their self. But industrial, you cannot use any cuticle oil in the salon. Now, why is that? So I'm gonna start from the one that you can use at home, and why is it okay for you to use it at home. Now I see this stylish one, and this is why I know that this video is very important for me to do. When I look at this, it's very beautiful. We girls, we like beautiful things, right? It's very classy. This is the one I'm talking about. Look how pretty, catch my eyes. I would want to buy 100 of these because what, it's pretty. But what if the person have fungus? Now I know you will say you don't treat fungus in the nail salon. Remember, bacteria are microbes. They are microbes, so you can't see them. Not every bacteria you can see. So the person can have fungus and it doesn't show on the nail bed as yet. So you do not want to use this industrially and everybody, and then so I use it on your nails and I decide that I'm going to use it on my nails. Then I can transfer germs because I'll attract dust and it will bring like a mass and bacteria will grow. So this is why this is good for somebody who is at their office, who is at home, you're alone using it, you can go ahead and use it, right? You're not sharing it. So this is good. If you want something stylish to use, something like this is more like a syringe, because the syringe you can pump, so you can put it in the bottle, pump up and squeeze it on the cuticle industrial. If you want something stylish like this industrial, that's what I would advise you guys. I know people use it, I know nail technicians use it, but I wouldn't use it. And I will now say this is for industrial use. Reason being, you have these dapping dish, right? These little jars, you can show them in there. And this is why I have the stick in my hand. Have the cotton. You can put on a little piece of cotton on it. This is the old-fashioned way. So maybe people want to get away from this way, right? And you put it in this, then you apply the cuticle oil on the nail bed. But as I said, people maybe want to move away from this, but this is the safest way. All of these are disposable. So you throw away this one, you throw away the stick, you throw away the cotton once you finish. And this, if any leave, you throw it away. So you throw it enough per client, so you don't use it back. So that's industrial. But as I said, if you want something stylish, you could still put oil in here, use the syringe, take it up and right. But what I use is this bottle, right? So I use this, I don't know if you can see this bottle, to take up and put around the cuticle. That's what I use, right? So I dip it in this and I drop it. So this do not touch the client's nail, so because I make drops with it. There is a next way they sell cuticle oil. This is a nail polish bottle, but just to this is a nail polish bottle, but just for example purposes, you have cuticle oil that do come in the nail, like a nail polish jar, which is like this, right? I do not advise it again for industrial purposes, especially when you're doing a manicure. That would be on the nails. So any question? Do I cover it all or any questions?
Yes.
I cover it all?
Yes. Well understood.
Okay. Sure.
Yes.
Okay then. So that's it for today's video about cuticle oil. If you have any questions, if you want to mention something that I missed out, comment it below. And please remember to share the videos. There are a lot of persons out there doing nails and don't know these things, and you know, it's good to share things that will educate you, and maybe I miss out something, or maybe there's something that I need to know. So you need to comment it below so I can learn. You learn from me, I learn from you. This is Thea, and please remember to subscribe, like, and share.